Parkersburg, West Virginia and Perrysburg, Ohio facilities with Quanix Home Shield, the screens division with the North American Fenestration. I have been with Quanix for 8 years. I started out as a production manager in Parkersburg, West Virginia. I worked there for 5 years when I was given the opportunity to take the plant manager role in Perrysburg, Ohio. I was there for about 2 years when they offered me the position to take over Parkersburg, West Virginia as well, so I have the 2 plants now. Managing 2 plants is tough. People ask me all the time how I do it, and the only way I can do it is because I have 2 amazing teams. Without them, I could not get everything done, and we would not be as successful as we are. I've got such great teams. I mean, my Parkersburg plant and my Perrysburg plant are completely different, and I have to manage them differently, but the way we feel about each other is the same. I'm gonna say it again, but the teamwork that we have is just amazing. And you know, we talk about safety every day, and I tell them in the morning meetings that, you know, we may not be family, not all of you are best friends, but nobody wants to see somebody else get hurt. Nobody wants to see somebody else go to the hospital, so we have to look out for each other every day. I think people should consider manufacturing as a career because things have really changed and evolved. People think of manufacturing plants as dirty places that only men work at. We have men, women, all different people from all different backgrounds. It's clean, it's safe, it's a great place to work. Being a woman in manufacturing and being with Quanix, I have never felt like I was treated any differently than anyone else. I feel that I have the same opportunities as everyone else. My upper management team has never made me feel that I'm any different and that I can't do any job because I'm a female. I like working in manufacturing because I enjoy the just-in-time part of it. I feel like every day is a puzzle, and you have to put those puzzle pieces together to make the whole picture work, going from materials to the people to the customers and putting everything together. I enjoy the challenge. What I like best about working for Quanix is the teamwork, from the leadership team through my management team to my associates at both plants. The teamwork that we have is what makes everything work. I love the fact that our leadership team all came from manufacturing and from production. So I truly feel that they understand what we go through every single day. They've been there, they've been in our shoes, and I think that just makes a world of difference. My proudest moment isn't one point in time. Taking over the Parkersburg plant, they were in bad shape. They were 17,000 screens behind. Morale was low. They were working every Saturday, 12-hour days, high turnover. And when I came in, immediately the team was they were on board, they were excited, they were ready to fix this. And the Perrysburg plant came right on board with them. And we worked together. The Perrysburg plant was building screens for Parkersburg. They were sending people to help. And now Parkersburg's helping Perrysburg. The production managers call each other for help. Maintenance calls each other for help. We send employees to multiple plants. That's my proudest moment is the teamwork.